This is Cynthia Paine-Drennan with Dave Perry Miller and the Paine-Drennan Group, and I'm here today with Mark Drennan, who is going to show us 10253 San Juan Avenue in Dallas. It's a Casa View listing, adorable 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with approximately 1,350 square feet. Okay, some of the features include newer windows, the roof.
Welcome home.
Okay, here we go. Pretty. The roof was updated several years ago. Hardwood floors, gorgeous. Energy efficient windows. The air conditioning system, you'll see above that window there. This is called a split system, and it is very energy efficient. The bills are so incredibly low with this system, and the owner loves it because you can turn off each room, when you're not using it. So this is the living room. Mark, show us the kitchen.
Well, we've got a wonderful kitchen here that's been updated. It's an open kitchen, and it also has wonderful closet space. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, stainless steel dishwasher, laundry room inside in the closet.
The dryer was replaced recently. All of the appliances stay. This house is also only $249,000. We're gonna go outside real quick to the backyard. These lights are party lights, and they're the solar party lights. So they were just installed here. Huge backyard, deck, garage. Excuse me.
Tanning deck for the summertime.
Yes. Okay, come on. Let's go back inside. Oh, there's one of the outdoor units for the air conditioning. Excuse me, and the other one here. And the large kitchen really is. You could put an island in here or not, but it's very nice. This house is a designer's personal home, and so it has a lot of really neat touches. The hardwood floors were refinished. Did we look at the half bath? Here it is.
Here it is.
There it is. This is the half bathroom here. And going down the hallway, we've got one of those cute little old phone nooks. Bedrooms are, I asked the owners what they enjoyed about this house, and they love the large bedrooms. Their kids love them. They love the shopping that's close by. They love that the White Rock Lake is close by. They love the neighbors. They say the neighbors are so wonderful. The closets, they like the closets and all the storage. This is a closet. And here is the bathroom. This is the main bath here. It was remodeled. Very nice. And energy efficient windows. Each room has one of these split systems in there. So they have absolutely loved it. They said it's just so energy efficient. Also, it has a tankless water heater, these windows, and it makes the gas bills also very low. So utilities are extremely low. She said you never run out of hot water. And 4 people live here. So it's a nice home. Every single thing was thought out very well. Don't you think, Mark?
And the kids love it.
The kids love it. Yes. So here we go. This is our listing. This is the way we're going to do open houses right now. So if you have a real estate agent, call them or call us. We can show it to you anytime. There's a whole team we have. There's 7 of us at Paine-Drennan Group. and we'd love to show it to you.
Thanks for viewing our showing video, and come see San Juan Avenue. We'd love to give you a private tour.
Bye.